I can call him on phone now and ask him whether he has ever had reason to discipline or had the management discipline anybody, here on Arise TV for doing things that are outside of, procedure. Is Arise TV above board?
So
the party is not above board, neither is Arise TV, nor any other party or institution in this world.
So
when you suggest that APC stinks because somebody, I'm coming, somebody without conclusive evidence, without investigation, without any report or finding, or even prosecution or a finding of guilt, the party stinks. I take strong exception to that. So, Mr. Moka, that's unfair and it's wrong.
Your job is to take strong exceptions to it when I say the party stinks. I, as a journalist, is to constantly tell you, hang on a minute, let me finish.
You can justify.
As a journalist,
when you say that, you must justify. You don't just throw words around
Mr. Moka,
and expect it to stick.
Mr. Moka,
it shouldn't.
Let me speak.
That's not the standard of journalism.
I, as a journalist, am to constantly tell you your party stinks, and I'm giving you facts.
No,
Take, for instance,
give the facts and leave that opinion. That's your personal opinion.
Okay, so